Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. It's Lindsay here with another unboxing, and I do have a Thredup fun box for you today. I'm super excited to get this open. My last couple boxes have been pretty good and they're always a mystery. You never know what are going to be in these boxes. If you were with me for Thursday's video, I did mention that I will be missing Thursday and Monday. There will be no videos. But I will be back next Thursday for you with some jewelry. I'm leaving for Vegas on Wednesday, so I'm not gonna have time to do the videos and be available to take sale requests. So I'm gonna wait and just take the couple days off and then see you back next Thursday. If you do see anything from tonight's video that you would like to purchase, I can ship it out before I leave. I will just need you to send me an email and make sure you include your mailing address for me if you're a new customer. If you're new to my channel, I am a part-time reseller. I sell here on YouTube, also Poshmark and The Real, and I normally post videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. I also drop in bonus videos of sterling sales. I've been doing mostly jewelry content lately, so if that's what you're into, I will be back with more of it, don't worry. But I also do a variety of different types of mystery unboxings. So I did just receive this one not too long ago. We'll get it open and see if there's an invoice in here. These do run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. And you do get 10 items, sometimes a little bit more. I ordered it on August 5th. And we'll take a first look. There's some air pillows in there and kind of a neutral type theme it looks like in this box. So I do see a bra and maybe a phone case. All right, so we have a phone case. This is Keith Ham or Keith Harris maybe, and Velvet Caviar. It's designed with love in New York. So I am not sure about that brand. It's kind of like a graffiti type print with pink and blue. And for some reason it doesn't say what size phone this fits, which is odd. Unless I'm just missing it. So it is brand new. It does have a protective little plastic on the phone there. But it does not say what kind of phone this fits, which I find really odd that it would not be on the box. It does not say anywhere. So that's really bizarre. I don't know how you're supposed to shop for a phone case when it doesn't say what size phone this is for. So I will try to do some research on that and put info on the screen. But yeah, phone cases are usually a tough sell because usually by the time they come in one of these boxes, they're for an older phone. But I'll see what I can find out about that. I do have some socks here, and these are knee socks by Gold Toe, and these are the Lodge collection. So you have like a beige color and a gray. It's a 2-pack, and they do fit a size 6 to 9, and they were originally $16. So really nice cozy socks for going into fall and winter. We'll just do $5 on those if anybody's interested in the Gold Toe socks. And we do have a pair of underwear here, a thong. And this is kind of a bronze color, like a glittery pattern or shimmer. And ooh, this is Skims. So that's the Kardashian brand. It's a free cut dipped thong and it's a size small. So that's awesome. I have never sold Skims before, but it looks to be really nice, very thin, but it's really stretchy and looks like it would be comfortable. So I will look that up and put a price on the screen, but that's a good item. And I do have a bra here, a nice kind of nude tone. And it does have some light padding on it. There's no underwire. It's by the brand Auden. It's called the Bliss. Lightly lined, wire-free bra, all-day comfort, smooth under clothes. So probably a good t-shirt bra. And that is a 34B. Color is soft beige. It was originally $15. So we'll do $5 on that one as well. So that's a good item. And I may have some jewelry and a belt in here possibly. And it looks like this is a belt. It is like a suede cord. And then you do have these little turquoise stations. It kind of reminds me of like a Lucky brand or something like that. But really cute, super boho. And I don't see any branding on it at all. And there's the back of the turquoise parts. So it looks like it's in really good shape. I don't think those are real stones, but they are made to look like turquoise. So let's do $5 on that one as well. And it looks like it would really pretty much fit anybody. It's super long, so that is really cute. Be nice tied over like a sweater dress or something. And I do have a cuff bracelet. And this says, she believed she could, so she did. It's gold tone. This looks like one of those mantra band bracelets, and it is. It is signed in there. So we'll do $4 on that one. It looks to be in good condition. And it's really pliable. It is a little bit misshapen, but should be able to go back into shape just fine. So a really dainty little cuff bracelet. It is just a little bit misshapen right in the center part. So let's just do $3 on that one since it's a little bent up. But that's a good brand. And our next piece here might be another belt. And this is nice, really smooth, kind of, I don't know if that is like a wood or what the material is on that. There is a little bit of scratching on it. And it's on like a rope cord. And there's that side. So I guess it just goes like through a toggle. So you can toggle it there, or you can make it smaller. So interesting piece. I also don't see any branding on this one. But it's in good condition, just some minor scratching. So we'll do $5 on that one as well. And we do have like a little jewelry box here. This is by the brand Lug. That's a good brand. It is like a quilted nylon material. And it's a nice travel jewelry case. So you have a little zipper pocket in there. And then a bunch of compartments to put rings or something. And it says that it's the mini swizzle. And there is a little pocket back there as well. So that is nice. And it seems to be in basically brand new condition. And there's gunmetal hardware in there that says Lug. This is a really good brand, so I'll look that up. But that's a great item. And our next piece looks to be a scarf. And this is a tan with a fringe detail. And there's definitely some poles on it. And it does have like a paisley pattern. And there is a small hole right there. This would even be pretty as like a dresser runner as well. But I do not see any branding on it or a material tag, unfortunately. But it's pretty, really nice neutral piece that would go nicely into fall. So the main part of the pattern, I don't see any holes or anything like that, just along the side. So we'll just do $5 on that one as well. And oh, we have some totes. I know when Jamie opened her box, or maybe even Christina, they had a bunch of totes in their bag, and we did get 3 of them. This one says Scout on it, and it's a plaid pattern. It says Top Dog for 20 years. And this one does have a retail tag on it as well. And it just says that it's a shopper bag, so I don't know anything about that brand. But, you know, these always come in handy. And next up we have this one. And it is like a burlap material. And there is a zip top closure, which is nice. And it does have a YKK zipper. But I don't see any branding on it, but it looks to be brand new. So a nice little tote to take to the market or something. So not bad. And then our last one is really cute. This is from Ocean City, Maryland. So I really like that one. I used to live in Maryland. And this is also by the brand Scout. And this is a tiny package gift bag. So really nice. And I do love all the Maryland type prints on there. It even has the ballpark. So how cute. I may keep that one. But I'll look into those and put some prices on the screen. But I do love that one. We had this burlap one. We had the larger Scout one. So I don't know if they counted that as 1 item or 3. We had this. This is definitely the best item in the box. That was 4. 5, we had the scarf. 6, we had the wood belt. 7, we had the Auden bra. 8, we had the Skims. 9, we had the phone case. 10, we had the gold toe socks, the 2-pack. And then 11, we had the suede belt with the turquoise. And our last item was the Contraband cuff bracelet. So I don't think this box was that great, but it wasn't terrible either. And we did get a couple extra items, but hopefully my next one will be better. I am really happy about this, and we did get the Skims. So hopefully I can at least get my money back on this one, fingers crossed. But thank you so much for watching today. Again, I apologize, I'll be missing Thursday and Monday, but I'll be looking forward to getting back with you a week from Thursday. And I hope that you have a great week and a wonderful Labor Day weekend. It's hard to believe that that is already here and the summer is about over. It went by so fast, but honestly, I'm really ready for fall. So I hope you have a great one, and I will talk to you soon.